Hey guys, welcome to my very first YouTube video. So I decided not to do like an intro song or whatever.
No, wait, guess what? What's up?
I don't give a fuck! I don't
That's
give
why your
a
lips
fuck.
changed, right? That's why you
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Bitch, I like.
But as you can tell by the thumbnail, today we'll be making flower bouquets. And ladies, I know y'all don't want to spend like $100 on a bouquet of flowers. It's gonna die, so make them yourself. You don't even need a man to buy you these. Period. So I got these from Amazon. You could go down in the description and click my storefront, and all of these will be linked below. So what you're gonna need is flowers, of course. I got 2 packs of these, 2 packs of these, and just one of these. Then I have tape, scissors, and just to be special, I wanted to put like butterflies on my wrapping paper. I got black wrapping paper. I also got this from Amazon. Everything will be linked in my storefront.
Well, you already knew that.
So
First things first, I'm the realest.
I'm gonna start off with a lighter pink. So I believe it's 10 in a pack. So first what I'm gonna do is, look how nice these look. These look very nice. So you guys can see that? Okay. First off, I'm gonna start by opening up these flowers. This is what an open flower looks like and a closed one. I mean, either or is fine, but I just prefer.
What? Bro.
So they should look something like this. This is how they look when I opened it up. It's so cute. I want these in the middle, and I kind of want the darker ones on the bottom. And like, you know, so like a little transition. So y'all get the vision. Okay, y'all. Alright. So what I'm gonna do is I bunch up like a bunch of these. And you want to straighten the bottom out. You don't want them to be curving and stuff. Okay, this is what it's gonna look like. See this? Take your tape. Ooh. And just wrap it around.
I think I'll do a wraparound. We'll wrap around.
Problem in all the finish. Make you try to enjoy. Wahala in all the finish. Make you try to enjoy. Say kata kata uru not the finish. Make you try to enjoy. Problem in all the finish. So make you try to enjoy. Make you dance like Wahala. Wahala. Make you dance like Wahala. Wahala. Dance like Wahala.
So now it's time to fix them.
Problem in all the finish. Make you try to enjoy. Wahala in all the finish. Make you try to enjoy. Say kata kata uru not the finish. Make you try to enjoy. Problem in all the finish. So make you try to enjoy. Make you dance like Wahala. Wahala. Make you dance like Wahala. Wahala. Dance like Wahala. Wahala. Dance like Wahala. Wahala. You see this side, I can't feel myself. I just want to live my life, if I'm judging. I don't like bad. I don't go find your trouble. I don't like a salad. So far my money the double. As my money the pile up, oh, it is with my bottle.
So this is what it's looking like. Kind of making it tighter. I wanted to add these butterflies.
Problem in all the finish. Make you try to enjoy. Wahala in all the finish. Make you try to enjoy. Sekata kata uru not the finish. Make you try to enjoy. Problem in all the finish. So make you try to enjoy. Make you dance like Wahala. Yeah, Wahala. Make you dance like Wahala. Yeah, Wahala. Dance like Wahala. Yeah, Wahala. Dance like Wahala. Yeah, Wahala. See this side, I cannot feel myself. I just want to live my life, if I'm judging. I don't like Wahala. I don't go find your trouble. I don't like Kasala. So far my money the double. As my money the pile up, oh, you make me happy.
So next you're gonna need some wrapping paper. I got this from Amazon. As I said before, this will be linked down below. It comes with 20 pieces, so don't be afraid to mess up. So what you're gonna do is just wrap it around. No, nothing too fancy. Remember, it comes with 20 pieces, so don't be afraid to mess up, guys. My double-sided tape.
Problem in all the finish. Make you try to enjoy. Wahala in all the finish. Make you try to enjoy. Sekata kata uru not the finish. Make you try to enjoy. Problem in all the finish. So make you try to enjoy. Make you dance like